Okey Dokeys! In this video, we'll learn how to change colors while working in different types of projects. This is a great technique for adding stripes or color blocks. When you're ready to change colors, you're going to finish the last stitch in the current color, but stop just before completing the last yarn over. Now, grab the new color yarn and yarn over with it to complete the stitch. Now, you can continue crocheting with the new color. Make sure to weave in loose ends as you go to keep your work tidy. And that's how you change colors. This method is great for creating bold stripes and colorful patterns. You can use this method in both rows and rounds. Enjoy!